Hello viewers, hope you are keeping fine. Through this video, we are going to talk about 4 important terms that are very significant in English language. And the terms we are going to talk about, you can see before me as well as many as, and the last one as much as. So let's begin with the first one. Here you can see first one as well. As well is used as an adverb form in English language, and it denotes also to or in addition. It denotes also to or in addition, অর্থাৎ এছাড়াও বা আর ও. And at the same time we have to remember that as well is used generally at the end of a clause. অর্থাৎ সাধারণভাবে as well একটি ক্লোজের শেষে ব্যবহৃত হয়. For example, we can write, I look forward to seeing you again and to meeting your friends as well. I look forward to seeing you again and to meeting your friends as well. Second one, very beautiful one, here you can see before me as well as. As well as, that denotes or signifies and, or we can write in addition to, along with, or besides. And in addition to, or we can write along with or besides. অর্থাৎ এবং বা এবং আরও ও, এবং বা এবং আরও ও. বিষয়টা এরকম, ইংরেজিতে অ্যান্ড এবং অ্যাজ ওয়েলের অ্যাজ এর ব্যবহার প্রায় কাছাকাছি. ফর এক্সাম্পল আমরা বলতে পারি, Jasmine and Salma came here last night. Jasmine and Salma came here last night. In comparison, if we use as well as instead of and, here we can write Jasmine as well as Salma came here last night. অর্থাৎ জেসমিন এবং সালমাও গত রাতে এখানে এসেছিল. জেসমিন এবং সালমাও গত রাতে এখানে এসেছিল. Dear viewers, if you like my video and if you are benefited through this, please like, comment and share with your friends. Next one, that is third one, here you can see before me as many as. As many as. This term suggests a number or amount that is surprisingly large. This suggests a number or amount that is surprisingly large. And generally it is used when something indicates number. অর্থাৎ একটি সংখ্যা বা পরিমাণ যা আশ্চর্যজনকভাবে বড় হওয়া অর্থে ব্যবহৃত হয়. For example, we can write, they lost as many as 20 points last night. They lost as many as 20 points last night. Then last one, here you can see before me as much as. As much as. This very terms indicates that two things are equal in amount or degree. Two things that are equal in amount or degree. Or we can write an amount which is as large as another. An amount which is as large as another. অর্থাৎ যত বেশি সম্ভব. যত বেশি সম্ভব. For example, we can write, he likes cricket as much as football. He likes cricket as much as football. অর্থাৎ তিনি ফুটবলের মতোই ক্রিকেট পছন্দ করেন. অথবা আমরা আরও লিখতে পারি, she earns as much as her husband does. She earns as much as হার হাজব্যান্ড ডাস, অর্থাৎ তিনি তার স্বামীর মতোই আয় করেন, তিনি তার স্বামীর মতোই আয় করেন। সো প্লিজ সাবস্ক্রাইব অ্যান্ড স্টে কানেক্টেড। থ্যাংক ইউ।